How to find Milestone credit card limit. Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Milestone credit card limit. So without any further ado, let's get started with the video. So the credit limit for Milestone credit card typically varies depending on various factors, including the applicant's credit worthiness, income, and overall financial profile. But in the Milestone Mastercard, it guarantees a $700 credit limit to everyone who gets approved, but some cardholders could get a high limit depending on their credit history and disposable income. So if you want to apply for Milestone Mastercard, then you want to head over to the official Milestone credit card page. Once you land on this page, you simply want to tap on Apply Now. Now over here, you want to enter some of your details. Then go ahead and enter your name, address, email, and your phone number. Now enter your date of birth and social security number. Now other two important details are total monthly income and total monthly expenses. After entering all the information, scroll down to the end. Then you want to click on Submit Application option. Once you do that, the application will be submitted and Milestone team will review your application. And if approved, you can simply get the Milestone credit card. That's it for the video, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, comment and share this video. Until then, see you next time.